Hello there YouTubers, this is Rahul from the Lifestyle channel, and today we're gonna do the unboxing and check out the detailed box content of TP-Link Archer C6. But before we get to it, please do like the video, click on the subscribe button and check out the bell icon to get the latest video as soon as we upload. Let's start then. So here we have the box now. Let's unbox it. TP-Link AC1200 Wi-Fi router Archer C6 with full gigabit and dual band, and the speed we'll get is up to 867 Mbps with 5 GHz plus 300 Mbps in 2.4 GHz. Faster Wi-Fi with MIMO and full gigabyte ports. Let's turn around. Alright, we have 10x faster connectivity, so the speed will be great as you can see. And what else? It's the power button, a power port, then power button, the reset button, WPS or the Wi-Fi button, you can do both, and the full gigabit port we can see, and we have 4 LAN gigabit ports. That's great. Coming to vast Wi-Fi coverage, you can see the coverage of a normal router here and the coverage of a TP-Link router, which is obviously more. And what else? We have the MIMO explained. If you don't have a MIMO, in that case there will be a 1-to-1 transfer between a device. But in case of a MIMO, there will be 2x2 transfer. So 2 devices can get the data simultaneously and get a proper connectivity. And what else? We have a secure VPN access. That means the router has inbuilt VPN access. That is really good for security. And personalized management, which we can also say as parental control. If any kids are browsing, then you can choose the pages they are viewing. And what else? Something here. Oh, it has a 3-year warranty. That is really great. And what is the price mentioned? Okay, the price is mentioned here is 4999. That's close to 5000, and I got this router in 2499. That's 50% of it. Great. Now let's do the unwrapping. Alright, here we are. Let's keep the packaging aside and the Caesar aside as well. Okay, we have the router on top as usual. Nice packaging, we can see. Let's keep it aside. And what we have underneath is some detailed instruction mention, basic stuff. And we have the installation guide here. Let's see. Okay, it's mentioned in details here what are the plugs, which plug will go where, and yeah, we have the app to be installed on your mobile phone, and basic stuff. Let's keep it aside. What else? Have an Ethernet cable. The cable quality is okay, I must say. Not too good, not too bad. It's okay. Yeah, nice. And now we have the power cable here. The power cable quality looks good. Cable quality is also nice. The build is good. Yeah, you can rely on it, not lag. Let's keep the box aside and unwrap the router. Here we are. Okay, Let's get the antenna straight first. Okay, this one's tight. Yeah, it looks really nice, I must say. We have the wrapping on top now. I give it a thumbs up for the looks. Yes, simply great. The texture is pretty well, and I see the wrapping is nice. The antennas are also properly being wrapped, all the antennas, and yeah, it looks really nice. Now for the final one. Here we go. Wow, the texture is really great. Look at the texture, guys. I mean, you will be impressed, I'm sure. Here are the ports. Wow. Let's adjust the antenna a little bit. I generally keep my antennas like this, which is looking good, or maybe like this. Both are the options. Never mind. Let's check out the ports a little bit. There we are. Let me turn it up. I don't want any of my fingerprints to come on that shiny surface, you know. Oh wow, looks nice. Okay then, here are the ports, and here are the details mentioned about the router and everything, as you can see. Okay, so here we are. We have just done the unboxing of TP-Link Archer C6, and I'll do a detailed review on a later video. If you like the video, click on the like button, hit the subscribe button, and also check out the bell icon to get the latest videos as soon as we upload. So this is Rahul from the Lifestyle channel, signing off.